Losing track of your mouse pointer on Windows 11? Whether you are presenting, editing, or just tired of chasing your cursor, here is how to highlight it quickly and clearly in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today, we will show you how to highlight your mouse cursor on Windows 11 in 2025 using built-in settings and a few handy tools. Method 1. Tweak mouse settings. Click on the Start menu and type Mouse Settings. Then choose the top search result. Next, select Additional Mouse Settings option. Go to the Pointers option. Enable the Show Location of Pointer when I press the Control key option. Click on Apply and then on OK. Now, whenever you press the Control key on your keyboard, a visual ripple effect will show you exactly where the mouse cursor is. This is particularly useful when using large monitors or multiple screens where the pointer can easily get lost. Method 2. Customize mouse pointer style and size. The next method is more about customizing the appearance of your mouse pointer to make it more visible at all times. Next, head to Windows Settings section, select Bluetooth and Devices, then select Mouse. Then select Mouse Pointer and Touch. Next, choose a mouse pointer style as per your preferences. Here you can choose from different pointer styles such as white, black, inverted, or a custom color. If you want to highlight the pointer more, select a bright custom color can significantly improve its visibility. Additionally, you can adjust the size of the mouse pointer using the size slider. Increasing the size will make it stand out more on the screen. You can also turn on the mouse indicator that will show a circle around the mouse pointer, and you can also toggle on the touch indicator that will show a circle on the screen when you touch it. This method doesn't require any keyboard interaction like the Control key, but instead ensures the pointer is always prominent through its design and size, which is especially helpful for users with visual impairments or those who work in visually demanding environments. Method 3. Use third-party custom cursor file. To make your mouse cursor more visible during presentations or screen recordings, follow this method. Open your browser and go to https://www.rw-designer.com/. Click on the Gallery tab. In the search box, type Highlight Cursors. Click on Order by Downloads to sort popular options. Choose a cursor with a visible highlight, then click Download. Once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, right-click the cursor file and select Cut. Open the File Explorer, go to your C drive, then navigate to C:/Windows/Cursors. Inside the Cursors folder, right-click and choose Paste to move the file here. Press the Windows key plus S, type Mouse Settings and open it. Scroll down and click Additional Mouse Settings under Related Settings. In the Mouse Properties window, click the Pointers tab. Under Customize, select the cursor role you want to change, for example, Normal Select, and click Browse. Navigate to the cursor file you just pasted into C:/Windows/Cursors, select it and click Open. You will see a preview of your new cursor. Click Save As. Name your scheme. For example, here we are naming it as Yellow Highlighted Cursor and click on OK. Then click Apply and OK to finalize. Now your mouse pointer should be highlighted. And that's it. Your mouse cursor should now stand out, making navigation, tutorials, or presentations way easier. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a fix. Have a question or a better method? Drop it in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will see you in the next one.